Hello, my name is Jordan with the Dr. Joel Kaplan Company. I'm here today to explain to you how to safely and properly operate DEEP, the ultimate penis extender. When you first open the packaging, the device should be already assembled. Take the extender out of the packaging and familiarize yourself with the parts. You should see the extender base ring with the extension rods connected to it. Connected to that should be the extender resting piece with a silicone loop attached. Also in the package will be an extra set of larger extension rods, a set of foam cushions to provide comfort while wearing the device, and 2 silicone straps used to secure the penis to the extender. Once you've familiarized yourself with the parts, it's time to use the extender. Step 1 is to insert your flaccid or soft penis through the extender base ring so that the base sits comfortably against your pelvis. The extension rods should be facing away from your body. Step 2. At this point, you can slip the foam cushion over the head of your penis for added comfort if you would like. Then, you will slide the extender resting piece onto the extension rods. Adjust the extension rods by turning them clockwise to make the extender shorter or counterclockwise to make the extender longer. Adjust the extension rods until the resting piece is positioned underneath the penis shaft below the penis head. Now it's time to secure the penis to the extender. This can be done either using the silicone loop or the silicone strap. Make sure to secure the resting piece directly under the head of the penis. If you are uncircumcised, simply retract the foreskin before tightening the strap or loop. Make sure to tighten the strap or loop slowly to make sure you do not pinch any of your skin. Over the course of your stretching session, you can adjust the tension rods to be longer or shorter to ensure a comfortable yet tense stretch. Remember to only wear the extender for up to 30 minutes per session. If you plan to use it again on the same day, make sure to allow a 30 to 60 minute break in between each session. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to a member of our team via our website, drjoelkaplan.com.